Hi guys, today we are going to look at the natural treatment for kidney and prostate cancers. Okay, this is how it follows. Important instructions, list of decoctions, diet plan with millets. Important part is exercise, and then what to avoid means what foods to avoid. Right? Okay. Uh, so one should consume millets in the form of porridge or fermented gruel for minimum of 6 weeks. Okay, and eat one dry roasted sesame seed laddu made up of palm jaggery once in a week. Okay, even the diabetic patients with HbA1c less than 8, they can eat sesame laddu with palm jaggery. Okay, if your HbA1c is greater than 8, you shouldn't take palm jaggery. Okay, you can have this sesame in a different form. Okay, maybe you can grind it, make powder, and use them in your curries. Okay, otherwise you can roast them and you can eat them directly. Okay, without any sugar or jaggery, palm jaggery. Okay, and walk well. How long you walk is more important than how fast you walk. Okay, walk for minimum of 1.5 hours in a day. Okay, and do not stop your regular medicine suddenly, and reduce and stop your medication gradually, step by step, as and when your health condition is getting after following this lifestyle. Okay, you should start following this lifestyle along with your regular medicine, and you can reduce stop medicine gradually, step by step, like I told earlier. Okay, you can observe that by changing our food and food habit, we can bring back our health to normal. Okay, if the cancer spreads to other parts, take the respective protocol for the one which is severely affected by the cancer. Okay, coming to the decoctions, morning and evening, night jasmine leaves, uh, again paper leaves, guava leaves. Okay, so decoctions for the morning and the evening. First week, night flowering jasmine leaves. Second week, paper leaves. Third week, guava leaves. Okay, if you do not find any one of the above, still continue with the remaining decoctions. Okay, let's say paper tree is not available, skip that. Okay, take guava leaves only for the second week, and then repeat. Go back to the first week in the third week. Okay, right. 45 minutes to 1 hour gap is needed between the decoction and the next meal. Okay, afternoon, Bohirvia diffuser. Okay, coriander leaves, banana stem. Okay, that means first week Bohirvia diffuser, second week coriander leaves, third week banana stem. If you do not get banana stem, use raw banana. Cut a small piece of raw banana, and again make small pieces out of that a big piece. Okay, again cut that into 3 to 4 times. Okay, make it 3 to 4 pieces, and you can make decoction as usual. Okay, otherwise you can also use banana leaf. Okay, whatever the part of the banana plant, you can use it to make decoction. Okay, cut a small piece of banana leaf. Okay, and you can use that to make decoction. Okay, like I said earlier, if you do not get any one of these decoctions, continue with the remaining. Okay, after the third week you should go back to the first week. Okay, like that you have to repeat this cycle till the recovery, complete recovery. And 45 minutes to 1 hour gap is needed between the uh, concoction and the next meal, or the decoction and the next meal. Coming to the millet diet, a brown top millet for 2 days. Okay, if you are having 3 meals per day, have those 3 meals with brown top millet only. If you are having only 2 meals, have those 2 meals with brown top millet only. Shouldn't eat rice or wheat products. You can consume curries and homemade curd. Okay, no problem. Little millet for 2 days, barnyard millet for 2 days, kodo millet for one day. foxtail millet for 1 day. So diet plan: eat these millets alternately for this 8-day schedule. Is it 8-day schedule? I hope so. Repeat the sequence till you get recovered from the disease. Okay, no rice, no wheat, no bread products till the recovery. Use only wood pressed oils or bull driven oils for cooking. Okay, you should use bull driven oils for cooking. Okay. Okay, how to cook millets? Either you cook it like rice or make millet porridge. Okay, cooking millets like rice. Add 3 glasses of water for 1 glass of millet. Soak it for 8 hours. Cook it on a open top vessel. Making millet porridge: use either granulated millets or whole millets. Add 6 to 8 glasses of water for 1 glass of millets, or you can add 10 glasses of water for 1 glass of millets if you want to make it more watery. Soak it for 8 hours. Cook it on a open top vessel. Once it is cooked, let it become cooled by opening the lid. Okay. Tie the top using cotton cloth. Once it is cooled down, you have to tie the cotton cloth on the top of the vessel and keep it aside for 8 to 10 hours, and then you can have it. Okay. If it is summer, keep it only for 6 to 7 hours. Okay. One more important thing: for the first 6 to 9 weeks, it is better if you take them in porridge form. Okay, taking millet in the porridge form for all the 3 meals. Exercise is very important thing. Walk for 1 hour minimum a day, 1.5 hour. Sorry, this must be 1.5 hour. Okay, and increase your walking time slowly day by day. Uh, okay, right. Foods to avoid: avoid all milk products, all dairy products, rice and wheat products, refined oils, sugar, jaggery. In place of sugar and jaggery, you can use palm jaggery, dates, 100% pure honey. Okay, even in the decoctions, if you cannot take them as it is, add palm jaggery in them. Okay, early in the morning, you have to take decoction on empty stomach. Okay, empty stomach means if you drink water, no problem. That means if you wake up at 6 a.m., if you drink 1 liter of water, wait for 1 hour. At 7 a.m., you can drink decoction. If you drink 1.5 liter of water at 6 a.m., wait for 1.5 hour. That is at 7:30 a.m. You can have this decoction. Okay. Make sure in the evening also you drink this decoction on empty stomach. That means if you take lunch at 2 p.m., wait for at least 4 hours. Okay, that is at after 6 p.m. only you should drink a decoction. After the decoction, wait for again 45 minutes to 1 hour and have your meal. Okay, and you have to avoid wheat powder, refined wheat powder, tea, coffee, all bakery products. Polished millets or refined millets also, it's better if you don't consume polished millets. Okay, instead of polished millets, you should take whole millets, whole grains. Non-vegetarian food: cool drinks, pizzas, burgers, pastas, noodles, all canned foods, all ready-made foods, and all ready-to-eat foods you have to avoid. Okay. Now you are going to look at how to make decoction using any one of the leaves mentioned above. Okay, the procedure is one and the same for every decoction or the concoction, right? I just added 250 to 300 ml of water. Okay, it is in between 280 ml maybe, perhaps. Water in the vessel. Okay, I'm going to switch on the stove. Okay, once the water gets boiled, then I will add those leaves. Okay, night jasmine leaves. Okay, let's close the vessel. Okay, let's place the lid and uh, let's switch on the stove. See, if the water gets boiled, water bubbles will appear. Okay, yeah, bubbles got appeared, right? Now we can place the washed leaves. Okay, in the vessel. Okay, we are now placing the washed leaves. Okay, thoroughly washed with the running water in the vessel. Okay, let's place the lid also. Okay, and let it get boiled. Okay, for 3 to 4 minutes. Yes, it got boiled up. Okay, we actually did everything on a low flame. Okay, now let's wait for 5 minutes, 5 more minutes. Okay, before having the concoction. Okay, and the concoction has to be taken slowly. That means sip by sip. Okay, you have to drink it very slowly. Right. Yes, 5 minutes is over. Okay, now you can remove the lid. You can remove those leaves, and you can place it in a glass. Okay, using spoon you can drink it slowly. Okay, right. Leaf is very thick here. There are no particles of leaves here. Okay, that is the reason why I am not using why I didn't use uh, filter. Okay, otherwise I would have used a filter. Now you are going to, it's better to use a spoon and drink it slowly, sip by sip, and when it is hot, that is good. When most people prefer to take it when it is hot, but your wish. If you want to drink it when it is cool, wait for 5 or 6 more minutes, and then you can drink it sip by sip. Okay, shouldn't consume it completely. Okay, in one go. Okay, you have to drink it very slowly, sip by sip. Okay, that too preferably with a spoon. Are you tired of dental problems? Then listen to this. Stop brushing your teeth using plastic brush and chemical paste. Use nature's gifted neem stick for brushing your teeth and stay healthy.